When I did this video, I was expecting to release it before the election ended. Unfortunately, the results of the election came in. And just as I suspected, the JLP won. The JLP won in a landslide. The Jamaican people gave the PNP a clear message that the JLP is who they choose to take Jamaica to the future. And so, congratulations to all the politicians who ran and won, regardless if they're PNP, regardless if they're JLP, because the fact still remains. It takes both parties to run the government effectively. We're looking forward to see what Jamaica will become under the newly formed JLP government. If you agree with me, post a comments below. If you don't agree with me, post a comments below. Thank you for watching.